Here's something worth sitting with for a moment. The extent to which you don't have what you say you want tends to be the exact extent to which you're resisting it. And I know that might sting a little because nobody likes to hear that the thing standing between them and more money might be themselves. But stay with me because this isn't about blame, it's about liberation. If part of you is unconsciously resisting more money, and for most people, some part absolutely is, then the most powerful thing you can do isn't work harder or hustle more. It's clear the resistance because you can't outwork a subconscious block, but you can dissolve it. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Think about it this way. You probably know someone who seems to attract money effortlessly. Things just work out for them financially. Opportunities find them, and you might look at them and wonder what they're doing differently. The answer usually isn't strategy, it's resistance. They simply have less of it. And the beautiful thing is, resistance isn't permanent, it's just old programming. And old programming can be cleared. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think about the amount of money you'd like to have. Really let yourself go there. And now notice what comes up in your body, not in your head, in your body. Is there tension somewhere? A quiet tightening? Maybe some beliefs floating up about why you couldn't have it, shouldn't have it, or what might go wrong if you did. Maybe there's a fear about what people would think. Maybe there's an old voice saying money is the root of all evil. Maybe there's a part of you that isn't sure you'd handle it well. Whatever is there, just let it surface. That's the resistance. And resistance is just energy that's ready to be released. So take a breath in and open your eyes. So if you're new to EFT tapping, EFT tapping is emotional freedom techniques. So basically, you're just tapping on meridian points in the body based on Eastern medicine. Okay, acupuncture, acupressure points on the body. Okay, so as you tap on these points, you just say these words that help you, address your subconscious blocks and dissolve them. So here are the tapping points, right? So EFT tapping has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and to help dissolve subconscious blocks. Okay. So the tapping points are on the side of the hand, then the inside of the eyebrow. This is a sequence that we follow. Then the outside of the eyebrow on the bone, under the eye on the bone. And you don't have to be perfect here. And just tap gently and under the nose. And you can use 2 fingers or you can use 3 fingers. You can use your hand. You don't have to be perfect here. Just keep that in mind. Under the chin, collarbone point, under the armpit about 4 inches, and the top of the head, like the crown of the head area. Now you can also tap on either side of the body. Doesn't matter which side you tap on. And you can also use 2 hands, which I prefer when I'm tapping by myself. I usually use 2 hands, but it's up to you. So that's pretty much tapping. So now just tap or I tap and say what I say. Just repeat after me. So even though part of me might be resisting having more money without even knowing it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though there's a part of me that believes having more money could somehow be wrong or dangerous, I choose to love and honor myself and get genuinely curious about where that idea came from. Even though I've been unconsciously blocking greater wealth while consciously saying I want it, I choose to deeply and completely love, and accept myself. And I'm ready to clear that contradiction today. All this resistance to having more money. Part of me says, of course I want more money. But am I doing everything I could? Am I being as open as I could be? Probably not. And I'm choosing to see that as resistance, not as a character flaw. Just as something ready to be cleared. All this resistance to having more money. At a cellular level, all the way back through my past. Every time I got the message that more money would be wrong. Every time I was told money is the root of all evil. Every time I learned that wanting more was greedy. Every time I saw money causes problems and decided unconsciously to keep my distance from it. I'm clearing all of that now. Changing my mind about what money means. It's okay for me to have more money. It's safe for me to have more money. More money doesn't make me a bad person. It makes me someone with more options, more capacity to give, more freedom to live fully. All this fear about what people would think. All this worry about jealousy. All this anxiety about the consequences of having more. I'm clearing all of it now. Because the consequences of having more money are mostly really good ones. And I can handle whatever comes with it. I am more than capable of handling greater wealth. I'm allowing myself to be in vibrational harmony with greater wealth. I'm clearing the way for money to flow to me. However it chooses to show up. From directions I expect and from directions that surprise me completely. I am open to more. I am ready for more. I am clearing every last reason why not. The more good I allow into my life, the more good I can do for others. My wealth is not just for me. It ripples outward. It creates more room for everyone around me. I am allowing more money in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. I am open to greater wealth. I am clearing my resistance to it. All of it gone. I deserve more. I am ready for more. And I am allowing more. Starting right now. Close your eyes. Take a breath in slowly. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, bring that number back to mind, the amount of money you'd like to have. Notice if it feels any different now, any more possible, any more like something you're genuinely open to receiving rather than something you're quietly pushing away. That shift in your body, even if it's subtle, is real. That's resistance leaving. That's space being created for something new to come in. Let that openness settle into every part of you. Let it become your new relationship with money. Not grasping, not desperate, just genuinely, quietly open. Take a breath in and open your eyes. Every time you clear a layer of resistance around money, you change what you're available to receive. The opportunities that were always there start becoming visible. The actions that felt blocked start feeling natural. The flow that seemed to come so easily to others starts finding its way to you too, because you were never the exception to abundance. You were just carrying resistance that made it feel that way. And today, you started clearing some of that. Keep going, keep tapping. The more you clear, the more room there is for everything that was always meant to be yours. Now, make sure you drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for doing the work.